This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Raymond Hendricks. This home boasts an open and spacious floor plan with many upgrades which makes it such a great buy. There are beautiful hardwood floors, tile in the bathrooms as well as the laundry room and carpeted in all bedrooms. In the kitchen you'll see granite countertops throughout, which provide ample counter space, a breakfast nook, large kitchen island, with well-thought-out cabinetry that coordinates perfectly to the extended 42-inch cabinets with crown molding, and upgraded GE stainless steel appliances. Off the kitchen is a great-sized dining area, perfectly placed alongside the doors that lead you out to the covered, screened-in lanai. There's a spacious master bedroom with bathroom, double sinks, granite countertops, a very large extended shower, and roomy walk-in master closet. The second and third bedroom are back down the hall from there with a full-sized bathroom in between as well as a linen storage closet right in the hallway area. Extended lanai and garage. For more information, review the details below or contact Raymond Hendricks at 813-857-3780.
La